In this question, we're asked to find the square root of 36 divided by 144. So what we'd like to do is look at both 36 and 144 and see if they're perfect squares. So if we reference a list of perfect squares, or we go through a bit of factoring or looking at the factors of these numbers, we know that 36 is a perfect square, and we know that 144 is also a perfect square. So we can break that problem into the square root of 36 divided by the square root of 144. And taking the square root of 36, we know 6 times 6 is 36, so the square root would be 6. We know 12 times 12 is 144, so the square root would be 12. Now, we don't see 6 over 12 in A, B, C, or D. So we know we need to further simplify 6 over 12. To do that, we would divide the top and bottom by the greatest common factor, which we can see to be 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So we have our answer, which is C.